Alright, so here is the entrance to Grandfather Mountain State Park. It costs $20 a person to get in, but you get a free audio CD. Yay!
Welcome to Grandfather Mountain. To begin our audio tour, take a look to your left. You'll see McCrae Meadows, the Grandfather Mountain Highland Games track and competition area with a gathering of Scottish clans held every July. We believe that Grandfather Mountain is one of the most wonder-filled places in the Southeast. Hidden among the trees and rocks, you can find an amazing diversity of wildlife that's like nowhere else on Earth. On your way up, this CD will guide you to the mountain's natural wonders and beautiful views. Soon, on the left, you'll be approaching Half Moon Overlook, which is ringed with hundreds of native azaleas and rhododendron. In May, the endangered pink shell azalea is in bloom. Native only to Northwest North Carolina, Grandfather has the world's largest natural population of pink shell azaleas. In June, this overlook bursts out with lavender pink blossoms of the Catawba rhododendron.
Hello. All right, we are at Grandfather Mountain in North Carolina, Linville, North Carolina, and this is one of the first pull-offs. I thought it was going to be spring and have flowers and everything, and we don't. So this is what's, listen, blue jay. So we're going to head up to the bridge that's way up there. It's a mile over sea level. And it's a, what is it, Caitlin? A suspension swinging bridge?
280-foot long suspension footbridge. Yay.
Really? She's so excited.
I hate those things.
What?
Suspension bridges.
You can do it.
They're awful.
No, you're fine.
They're awful. Have you been on one?
Hi, John Burton. Look at John Burton.
Over a raging glacial river where people die if they fall in.
No. These are pretty. They said in this area alone you can see 64 species of flowers and plants. So this is one of the nice little picnic areas. Lots of picnic tables. Nice little bathroom. Caitlin, look at them all. What? That's us. All right. Oops. Hi, Caitlin. We're getting ready to eat. I'm filming hummingbirds.
I've ended up having to take mine down. I think it's in the past 2 weeks now. I went through about 6 or 7 bird feeders, and now I might take them down. It gets to that point because you really don't want them getting used to you, getting used to people in general, coming on property like that. I love
All right, this is the Grandfather Mountain Swinging Bridge in North Carolina. This is rugged mountain. Be careful. Avoid ledges, storms and high winds, watch footing, supervised training. Yes. I was jumping on purpose. I did not balance this gimbal before we started. Really? Do you have your cell phone ready to take a selfie of us? All right. Whew. So, this is the Mile High Bridge in Linville, North Carolina at Grandfather Mountain. They call it Mile High because it is exactly 1 mile high of sea level, above sea level. So, yeah. And it's rather beautiful. I would recommend sunscreen, and I would recommend bug spray because the bugs are in our hair and they bite. And then they're in our skin and they bite. What? I can't even tell that it's high. Except these biting bugs are biting the crap out of us. Why are those people climbing up there? They're all over my